Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to PTown. So we got here actually around like 12:30, like a little past midnight. We're staying at the boat slip, which is the site of like the tea dance party. Partner is still asleep. He drove the whole like 7.5 hours last night. So God bless that man. He's the driver in the relationship and I'm the passenger princess. It's a nice little change of vacation from like our Asia, Korea, and Japan one because at least here we have the added comfort of like knowing where the stuff is that we like. Like whereas in Korea we're like, ooh, we want to try so many different things that we felt so overwhelmed and like we were having to rush everywhere because we wanted to experience so many different things. But at least here we've already experienced everything. So it's nice to have like a vacation or a holiday destination where you're already familiar with, the whole town. So that's what P-Town is for us. Yeah, I love New York City. It has so much stuff to do, but it can be very draining. So it's nice to have these little getaway trips every once in a while. We'll be showing you some of our favorite stuff to do, favorite places to eat, and just relax and enjoy.
I was just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do seems to make you wanna run away. Oh, and I'm so thankful that you found me. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better.
The partner's just getting ready, and then today apparently is like some sort of stoop sale. So a lot of the companies are having like some sales of things that they want to get rid of. So we're gonna check that out, go do some shopping, and yeah.
Waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. 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 Oh, hanging on a weekend. It was done because we were gonna be friends, but we fell in love. Got a little bit naughty, irresponsible. So we said, let's stop it. We're better on our own. But you stayed in my head, standing in some beams. And when in my bed, you were in my dreams. We're still like kind of best of enemies, but now we're making love till we're out of energy. Breaking in and breaking out, you are still on my mind. There's eternity. Scared to lose, I reckon. I blame my OCD, but then it all went backwards. You ask if I agree, and that's how I know you're still not really over me. Breaking in, then breaking up. You are stuck on my mind. There's no way to rewind. I'm criminally loving you. I can't live with us apart, so I had to steal your heart. Go ahead and play your part. I'm criminally loving you.
Now we're back at the hotel. We're at the boat slip. It's about an hour before they open up for tea dance. So it's a little quiet right now. We're in like the main communal area overlooking the pool and the ocean. So there's the deck right there. There's the pool. That's where we'll be dancing and drinking later. And then down there is the main dance floor. Yeah. I think everyone is kind of using today as the main like party celebration day because apparently there's like a nor'easter coming. So starting tomorrow at 10 a.m. it's going to be like windy and storming. So tomorrow might be a washout for us.
We're still gonna come to tea.
Yeah, we'll still come to tea because there's an indoor area. We went to an open house today and that was actually pretty good. I mean, these are all out of our price range, but 1.1 mil for an ocean facing kind of private, like hidden away from the massive crowd, but still on Commercial Street is, I think, pretty good. And it was what, like 700 or 800 square feet?
And like the apartment itself was beautiful. Like I had like everything I wanted in an apartment, but the outside looks like a disaster.
Yeah,
It's,
because
like,
they're still
completely under construction.
Yeah, they're still fixing it and doing like a little facelift, but he did say that the anticipated date of finish is like March. Now we're going to be enjoying some ice cream and relaxing before a tea dance.
Bye.
I feel like I always give you the mic and then you just say bye.
That's my trade line. That's my trade line.
Okay, I don't think you can trademark the word bye.
Not trademark. Tagline.
That's his tagline. Bye.
That's mine. Tagline. Come up with your own tagline. Peace.
Hi guys, don't mind the mess. Those are all the things we bought today. But quick outfit check. You've probably seen me wear this a few times by now because it's become my new favorite outfit. But I have the Uniqlo like wide leg trousers. This was in the women's section. This is the like dark gray green kind of like sports fabric that I got from Bench activewear from the Philippines. And these glasses are from Gentle Monster that I get to wear for the first time. So yeah, very nice, very nice. We're gonna go down to tea and have some fun.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect.
Good morning, everyone. Our luck has kind of run out, and there is a nor'easter coming apparently. So there's like a mass like exodus out of PTown right now. Everyone at the hotel is like checking out early, trying to beat the storm that's going to come in like an hour or two. We're deciding to stay today, brave it through the nor'easter. Let's see what today takes us.
So we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you.
Cheers to friendship, to old friends, to new friends, to old friends with new faces. Cheers to friendship. Hit it, Richard. Thank you for being a friend. If you know it, sing it. Higher, 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 higher. We wanna take you higher, higher. We're gonna take you higher. See that life is different, well, that's the way I live. So I deserve a lot of time for what I got to give. Don't you know that this hand washes that one? Or should I give up? Or should I just keep chasing straight men? Even if it leads nowhere. Or would it be a waste just because they have no taste? Should I leave it there? Should I give up? Or should I just keep chasing straight men? Even if it leads nowhere. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Should I give up? Or should I just keep chasing straight men even if? Girl, we all know it ain't gonna lead nowhere.
Okay, we are heading off to the last tea dance, well, our last tea dance of the year. Goodbye, PTown 2025. We will see you next year.
And there's a crazy storm.
Oh yeah, I know. Like it's like sleeting outside. The nor'easter is here.
Nor'easter. That means we drink.
Yes.
We drink during
Well,
nor'easter.
I think we would have drank regardless. But quick outfit check. I'm wearing, this is like a mesh knitted top that I got at Steele yesterday when we went shopping. And I know I wore these same pants from Uniqlo yesterday, but I think they just go really well with this. I was planning on wearing my like polo, one second. This polo bear sweater, but it didn't go well with this pants or the other ones, and it was a little loose on me, so I think that was more for casual wear instead of like impressing the gaze. So I'm wearing the same pants with this mesh top, and then we got my fun little baguette here. What's the partner wearing? He's also wearing a sleeveless mesh from Where is it from? Oh, from Steel. And then just a hoodie. No Yoshi today, unfortunately.
It kind of gave me a headache a little bit.
But it was really cute. You were getting some good compliments about that. But yeah, this is the style for today. See you downstairs.
You got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in.
Hi everyone. Is this my first time checking in? I think it is my first time checking in. So we have checked out of the boat slip and PTown. We have started to make the trek down. This nor'easter is I'm going to anticipate it's going to take us about 8 hours or 8.5 hours to get back home, which is usually like 6.5 to 7 hours. Let's wait for the food and yeah.
When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running around in my head, all or nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking